Welcome to a bowl full of sunshine. This healthy, delicious, quick and easy to make fruit smoothie bowl recipe will brighten your day. Ready to dive in and create a bowl full of vibrant flavors and nutrients that will leave you feeling energized and satisfied? We're talking about a meal that not only tastes amazing but also looks like a work of art. Let's talk smoothie bowls. They're all the rage, and for good reason. These bowls are not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a feast for your eyes. Imagine this, a thick, creamy smoothie base piled high with vibrant fruits, crunchy granola and a drizzle of something sweet. It's like capturing a rainbow in a bowl. It's basically a party in a bowl, and your taste buds are invited. Each bite is a burst of flavor and texture, making breakfast the highlight of your day. But wait, there's more to this delightful bowl. But trust me, my dears, it's easier than you think. With just a few simple steps, you can create a masterpiece in your own kitchen. We're talking chuck it in, whiz it up, and decorate like a 5-year-old let loose with the sprinkles. Are you in? The best part is, you can customize it to your heart's content. Let's get this smoothie party started. Grab your favorite fruits, some granola, and maybe a little honey or nut butter. The possibilities are endless, and the results are always delicious. Whether you're a seasoned smoothie bowl artist or a complete newbie, this is your chance to get creative. So let's blend top and enjoy a bowl full of sunshine together. First things first, we need to round up our ingredients. This is the foundation of our delicious creation. So let's make sure we have everything we need before we dive in. Don't worry, we're not talking about anything fancy here. No need for exotic ingredients or complicated steps. Just good, honest grub that'll make your taste buds sting. Simple, wholesome ingredients that come together to create something truly special. For the smoothie base, you'll need a few key ingredients that will blend together perfectly. First up, 1 frozen banana. The riper, the sweeter, my friend. This will give your smoothie that creamy texture and natural sweetness. Next, a handful of your favorite frozen berries. I'm partial to a bit of strawberry and blueberry action, but feel free to mix and match. Then a dollop of yogurt, Greek or natural, whatever tickles your fancy. This adds a nice tang and creaminess to the mix. And finally, a splash of milk. Any kind will do, just a touch to loosen things up and help everything blend smoothly. Now for the fun part, the toppings. This is where you can really get creative and make your smoothie bowl your own. This is where you can let your creativity run wild. The toppings are what make each smoothie bowl unique and exciting. Here are a few ideas to get those creative juices flowing. Think of it as a blank canvas, and you're the artist. Fresh fruit like sliced bananas, berries, kiwi, mango go wild. These add a burst of flavor and a pop of color. Crunchy bits like granola, chopped nuts, chia seeds, you name it. These add texture and a satisfying crunch. Something sweet like a drizzle of honey, agave or maple syrup. This adds a touch of sweetness and a lovely finish. And a sprinkle of pizzazz like coconut flakes, cacao nibs, goji berries. The possibilities are endless. These add a bit of flair and extra nutrition. Remember, these are just suggestions, my friends. The beauty of a smoothie bowl is that you can customize it to your heart's content. Feel free to swap, substitute, and add your own personal flair. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new combinations. After all, the best recipes are the ones you make your own. So gather your goodies, get creative, and enjoy the process of making a delicious and nutritious smoothie bowl. Now that we've got our ingredients prepped and ready to go, it's time to get blending. Smoothies are a fantastic way to pack in a lot of nutrition in a delicious, easy-to-consume form. Whether you're making this for breakfast, a post-workout snack, or just a refreshing treat, the process is simple and fun. Grab your trusty blender, or a good old-fashioned masher if you're feeling strong. Blenders come in all shapes and sizes, but the key is to have one that can handle frozen fruits and give you that perfect creamy texture. And chuck in your frozen banana, berries, yogurt and milk. These ingredients are not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins, minerals and protein. The frozen banana gives a creamy texture, while the berries add a burst of flavor and antioxidants. Pop the lid on tight. We don't want a smoothie explosion, do we? It's crucial to ensure the lid is secure to avoid any messy accidents. A tight seal will also help the blending process go smoothly, and blitz until you've got a smooth, creamy consistency. This is where the magic happens. Watch as the ingredients transform into a luscious, velvety smoothie. The blending time can vary depending on the power of your blender and the texture you prefer. Now, depending on your blender's power and your personal preference, this might take a bit of time. Some blenders have multiple speed settings, so start slow and gradually increase the speed to ensure everything is well blended. If it's looking a bit thick, add a splash more milk. This will help to thin out the mixture and make it easier to blend. You can use any type of milk you prefer: dairy, almond, soy, or even coconut milk for a tropical twist. Too thin? Chuck in a few more frozen berries. This will not only thicken the smoothie, but also enhance the flavor and nutritional value. Frozen berries are a great way to add natural sweetness without any added sugar. The key is to find that perfect balance, thick enough to hold its own, but smooth enough to slurp down with delight. A well-made smoothie should be a joy to drink, with a texture that's just right. Experiment with different ingredient ratios until you find your perfect blend. Enjoy your delicious, nutritious smoothie. Now comes the really fun part, decorating our masterpiece. Grab your bowl and spoon that glorious smoothie base in. Don't be shy now. We want a good, generous serving. Now, let your inner artist take over. Arrange your fresh fruit slices, sprinkle on your crunchy granola, and add dollops of yogurt if you're feeling fancy. Drizzle over your chosen sweetener and finish with a final flourish of your favorite toppings. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. Go for stripes, swirls, or a completely abstract masterpiece. The only limit is your imagination and maybe the size of your bowl. Section 5. Dive in, you lovely lot. There you have it. A breakfast, or lunch, or snack, no judgment here. That's as tasty as it is easy on the eyes. Grab a spoon, or a fork if you're feeling rebellious, and dig in. Section 6. A rainbow on your tongue. Each bite is an explosion of flavors and textures, the creamy coolness of the smoothie base, the juicy burst of fresh fruit, the satisfying crunch of granola. It's a symphony for your taste buds. And the best part, you can customize it to your heart's content. Feeling adventurous? Throw in some spinach or kale for a hidden veggie boost. Craving chocolate? A spoonful of nut butter will hit the spot. The possibilities are truly endless. Section 7. The smoothie bowl. Evolution. Smoothie bowls have come a long way from their humble beginnings. What started as a simple blended fruit drink has transformed into a culinary canvas, a platform for creativity and a celebration of fresh, wholesome ingredients. From cafes to kitchens, smoothie bowls have taken the world by storm, inspiring countless variations and flavor combinations. And why not? They're delicious, nutritious, and endlessly customizable. Section 8. Health benefits in every bite. But it's not just about the taste, my friends. Smoothie bowls are packed with nutrients that will fuel your body and mind. We're talking vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, all the good stuff your body craves. The frozen fruit provides a natural sweetness and a healthy dose of fiber, while the yogurt adds protein and calcium. And let's not forget the toppings. Those crunchy nuts and seeds offer healthy fats and essential nutrients. Section 9. Listen to your inner artist. So what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner artist and create a smoothie bowl that's as unique as you are. Experiment with different fruits, toppings, and flavors. Don't be afraid to get messy, have fun, and most importantly, enjoy every delicious bite. Section 10. Go forth and conquer the smoothie bowl. There you have it, my friends, your guide to conquering the wonderful world of smoothie bowls. It's easy, it's fun, and it's a delicious way to start your day or end it or enjoy it as a midday treat. Now go forth and blend, top, and devour. And don't forget to share your creations with me on the old social media, would you? I love seeing your culinary masterpieces. Thank you for watching our video and supporting Bistegs TV. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Stay tuned for more quick, easy and delicious recipes. Have a wonderful day and remember, great food brings great joy. As we wrap things up, let's raise a virtual toast to all the food lovers out there. Here's to your culinary adventures and the joy of creating something special in your kitchen. Remember, every dish you make is a story waiting to be told. Cheers to good food, great company and endless creativity. Until next time, keep those aprons on and those blenders whirring. Cheers, everyone!